Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some new sounds. But before that, let's revise. Letter A says A. A. Letter B says B. B. Letter C says K. K. Doll, diamond, dustbin, duster, dice, desk, dog, duck, deer, doctor, door, dolphin, donkey, drum, dart. Hello everyone. Last week and I think before that we learned some letters. Do you remember this? This letter A. As I said, it goes up, down, sleeping line. Letter A, which makes sounds A. Then we learned letter B, standing line, 1 cup handle and 2 cup handle. That letter was named as B and it made sound B. Then we learned letter C, half circle C, which makes sounds K. Now today we are going to learn a new letter. It makes sounds D. D. Standing line, 1 cup handle. It's called as D, which makes sounds D. And we are going to learn one more letter. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line and a 3 sleeping line. It makes letter E with its name is E and it makes sounds E. This letter makes sounds E. E as in egg, elbow, engine. And when I told you what D makes sounds dog, dolphin, drum. So I'll show you something else to revise once again. It's A, B, K, D, E, A, B, K, D, E. Alright, now we'll write it on a slate so that you can understand how to write. So, as you already learned A, B, K, that's A, B, C. I'll show you the new word that you're going to learn this week. It's D, that's letter D. Standing line, 1 cup handle. This letter is called D. D. Once again, standing line and a cup handle makes letter D, which makes sounds D. Alright? And the other letter, one more, we'll write as standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line and a 3 sleeping line. Isn't it easy? It's letter E, which makes sounds E. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line and 3 sleeping line. It makes letter E and the sound is E. So we learned D, that's letter D, and E, letter E. To make it more interesting, I'm going to use colors today. Okay, I hope you have learned this color in the school. You remember? Alright, I'm going to use this color. You can use your finger to make letters also. So it goes as up, down, and a sleeping line. A, which makes sounds A. It is not necessary that you have to use a big bottle. You can take the color in a plate. Okay. So letter A we have written with the color red. Now I'm going to use a green color and we'll write the next letter. Standing line, 1 cup handle and a 2 cup handle. Letter B, B. Now I'm going to use the next color, that's blue, color blue for letter C, half circle C. Oh, wait, I'll make it a bit better. Half circle C, cup. And we'll use yellow color. Standing line, 1 cup handle, D, D. Standing line and 1 cup handle D, the sound makes D, letter D. And last one, we are going to use the violet color. Violet color to write letter E. See how we write. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line, letter E. Children love using watercolors or crayons to write. So make sure parents you help them with all these things so that they enjoy writing it. Because writing with pencil it becomes boring for kids. So why not make it interesting by using different type of colors to write letters. So you have used red, green, blue, yellow and violet to write these letters. So it's A, B, K, D, E. So today we have learned D and E. And I have put up all the words related to these letters starting with letter D and starting with letter E. So make sure you read it again and again and repeat after me when I say those words. Till then, bye-bye. See you next week.
Egg, elbow, exercise, elephant, envelope, Eskimo, engine, enter, exit.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.